Okay, I'm going to take a look at a question that was on the assignment for Chapter 10 and 11. Calculate the future value of an ordinary annuity consisting of monthly payments of $300 for 5 years. The rate of return was 8.8% compounded monthly for the first 2 years and will be 7.5% compounded monthly for the last 3 years. So we have to find the future value. So in reading the question, monthly payments of $300. So your payment is $300. It's monthly, so payments per year is 12. The rate of return was 8.8% compounded monthly for the first 2 years. So first we need to calculate that. So I've kind of got it split out here so that you can see. So the first thing, this applies to everything, but the first 2 years, it's interest rate of 8.8. So it's 2 years times 12 months per year, so N is 24. You're going to set your present value at 0, and then you're going to compute your future value, and you're going to get $7,841.15. Now, after that, the rate will be 7.5% compounded monthly for the last 3 years. So everything, if I don't have it here, it stays the same, and that's the beauty of using the calculator. You don't have to change the numbers that are the same. So our interest per year is now going to be 7.5%. N is 3 years times 12 payments per year, so it's 36. Now the difference is we're not just looking at the payments, but the amount that was invested those first 2 years is still going to earn interest. So that is going to be our present value. So you think about that, you have 2 years of monthly payments, interest rate changes, so that amount from before here is still going to earn interest at the 7.5%, plus you're making 36 more payments of $300. So when you put the present value in, then you compute future value and you get 21,882.19. So this is the calculator, or you can refer back to the formulas, but I'll warn everyone again on the exam. Now the exam is going to be done this particular year. Actually, I'm not even going to get into the exam on this, but on an exam you are not going to have enough time to do formulas for all of the questions. You will run out of time. So please, please, please become familiar with doing these questions this way. They're much faster. You don't have to start from scratch. You can just change the numbers. It's much faster to do it. Okay, I'll be back with another question.